Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide touch keyboard icon from taskbar in your desktop PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show or hide touch keyboard icon from taskbar, so very easy. Firstly, right click in taskbar area. After fifth option, show touch keyboard button. So click it. That is. And if you want to hide, so touch taskbar area, right click. After click on show touch keyboard button. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show or hide touch keyboard icon from taskbar in your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.